Staring at stars, watching the moon, hoping that one day they'll lead me to you. Read every night, 'cause if a star falls, I wish to go back to the times that I loved. Why do the stars shine so bright in the sky if most of the people are sleeping at night? Why do we only have one chance at life? I wish I could go back in time.
Pictures remind me of things I forgot, but also of all of the things that I've lost. Can't get them back, they won't fall from above, so I try to forget all the times that I've loved. Why do we remember beautiful lives? We end up regretting them most of our lives. Why do we only have one chance to try?
I wish I could go back in time. Each time I fall asleep, I always see you there in my dreams. It's like going back in a time machine. I know when I wake up, your time with me will end. So don't let me fall asleep. I don't wanna be you there in my dreams. I know that we'll never build a time machine. It's time for me to try and wake up again. I'm trying to wake up again.